want to see the seals? See it swimming over there? It's over there near the rock, near the bird.
Oh, there he is. See him?
Oh, wow!
That's a big seal, huh? Whoa, he's fast. He is so fast. Look, there's one. Oh, my goodness. The bird scared him. Did you see that, CJ?
Uh-huh.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That bird better not hurt. Gotta hold you in order for you to use the shield.
Probably enjoying us here right now at Pacific Northwest Habitat. Welcome. My name is Tommy. I'm joined by Kira. We're both at each end of the habitat. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask either one of us. Just a few safety reminders. As you are watching our animals, please be sure to keep your hands and feet and all personal items on our side of the wall at all times. Do not reach out and pull on the net that is right below us. As the person indicated, can catch anything that is actually good enough to be falling into the habitat. So we have to have everything on our side: phones, wallets, car keys, food and drink, and especially small children. Do not have your children sitting on the wall. So here in the habitat, we have 3 other species.